ng kalat to.
Turn on the light, Dad. Look at what happened. We went out, and when we come back, lo, tingnan mo, nagkalat ang mga animal, oh.
Ah, grabe.
Mga ero, oh.
Burakin.
Sa kaana, guys, no sa amo, oh. Tingnan mo, kay ikalat sa ero.
Bed, bahala kayo ano, bed. Bahala mo.
Their bed, oh my God. Unsa na, oh. Tingnan mo, mga animal, oh. Ikalat, oh.
Bahala kayo ano, bed. Ako man kang clean up. What's up with this? What's this? All of this? All of this?
Who did it?
See, it's like wrong.
Who did it? Ha? Ayat mo, mga guilty ay. Tingnan mo.
Again.
Mga guilty. Oh my goodness.
Oh, me, huh?
Right there too.
Huh?
What did it? Hala. So, hala, unsa man yung mga iro, oy.
We can have furniture here. Look, oh, come here, look.
Di kalat, di broke the furniture. Oh no.
If you have patio here,
Oh my God. Di
hmm?
kalat it. Tragis talaga tong mga iro ato. Mga guilty ay. Torang bantay mo. Who did it? Who did this? Ha? Ha? You Toro? Toro, you did it?
Ako man clean up.
Tora, you did it? Snake, who did this?
I don't know how you know what? They're smart. They didn't get out when I was here.
Look at this. Who did this? Oh, matumba ko ha? La. Unsa naman? Katoy, burag guilty tog animal oh. Kana oh, burag. Burag guilty tog isa. Oh my God. La, paglimpyo din na dong. Unsa na yung oras ka? Alas 3. 3 a.m. in the morning.
It's snow?
Tingnan mo, plus windy pa. Oh my God. You're gonna be grounded. You don't have no more bed. Oh, no more bed. Bahala mo doon. Ang yabi anak ay. Uy, lock ang door oh. Okay.